The first option, if your main router is also by Asus and supports AI mesh technology. In this case, they call it not repeater, they call it AI mesh node, and it's very easy to set up. You don't need to connect any cables, you just need to power on your TUF router and wait for Wi-Fi signal over here. So I have 5G and 2.4G networks, so it's ready to set up. And what you need is take your smartphone, open Asus router application, then tap on this home icon in the middle. Here is your network configuration, and what you need is hit add node and get started. Wait for your TUF router to be detected. And once detected, just tap on that. Select this device's location. Where do you plan to locate it? Because now they are on my table, but after setup I will place it in my Wi-Fi dead zone because I need a repeater. So select location, let's say bedroom, apply. Now wait for about just 1 minute, maybe a bit more. They say it takes 5 minutes, but usually it's way faster. Well, once you see the screen, you can add another node to your system or just hit done, then go back to your home screen, and here is your new network configuration. You can tap on any device. So here is your internet source, your main router, and your TUF BE6500. You can tap on the router, you can change location, you can optimize the network, see the information about your node, and also you can remove the device from the system, reboot device to fix some problems, and that's it. That's how it works. Another case, if your main router is not by Asus, for example, by TP-Link, and thus it doesn't support AI mesh technology. In this case, you can set up your Asus router as a true repeater. Now I will show you how to do this, but make sure your main router is better than this one, because in other case, this operation is just pointless. Your best and fastest router must be in the head of your chain. So you need to use your computer to set up this guy as a repeater, and first of all you need to connect your computer to the network which name is typed on the product label over here. In my case, Asus 34. So connect your computer to this very network. It works without password, and then open your web browser, any web browser. Then in the search bar type in Asus router default IP address. By default it looks like this, 192.168.50.1. Then hit enter on your keyboard and it takes you to the router's web interface where you can set up this router. First of all, in this window you need to scroll all the way down, then check this checkbox, agree. The same in this window, once again agree. And now scroll a bit down and find advanced settings. You don't need to create a new network because your network is already created. So select advanced settings and choose operation mode. Now just select repeater and it's searching for your main router's Wi-Fi network. So now select the network you wish to extend. Where it is, this one. This is my network. So select your network and you need to enter your current Wi-Fi password. Once entered, hit next. I recommend you to get LAN IP automatically. If you are advanced user, you can assign IP manually, but for most users, automatic IP is better. And now you have two options. You can also create seamless Wi-Fi network similar to AI mesh. To do this, you need to name your repeater same as your main router. Or you can separate the networks. In this case, you will have to connect your devices to repeaters separately. I prefer seamless network. Check your password, apply. They warn you about weak password, but for this example it's just fine. And now you need to create your admin credentials to manage your router. So create your admin username, create your password, check that credentials, write down for future use, and hit next. Now internet connection setting is finished. And actually after this you can relocate your Asus router in a better place in Wi-Fi dead zone. A distance of 50 feet is maximum, 40 to 30 feet is recommended. If that was interesting and helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us, hit the like button, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.